Well, it's the next morning. All this paintwork's dry, and off camera I disassembled the XC grille and took the headlights out of it. And I'm in the process of putting these onto these brackets that you might have seen me put on as well. I'll do all that. I'll get this center support on, and we'll try and chuck this grille in. Well, here's an obstacle. After putting this on and moving this from here to here, there's one other problem. Seems like the pin here is different on XCs and XBs. Now this is wound all the way in, and I'm guessing an XB one is shorter, because when I shut the hood, don't line up with the guards and sits a good 1.5 inches too high. So I'll have to chase up one of those. Doesn't look like I'll be driving this in the next few days, but I will get along with doing the rest of it. I'll unbolt that and at least we can continue. Well, you know how I painted the turbo fans and all the brackets to make them look pretty? It was all in vain, because the grille hits them, and I haven't even pushed the grille all the way in yet. But there's hope, because we can put the fans at the back here. Well, the next thing to put on is this apron. As you can see, it's all bent. It was the only one I could find, but my panel beater has asked me to get it all assembled so that he can massage it and get it nice and straight. So I'm going to fiddle with it, get it on, see how we go. Did you see me fiddling around with this corner just then? What I was trying to do was put a 5/16 bolt into a 1/4 inch hole. So I've got myself some 1/4 inch bolts, and I'll try this again. Well, after still struggling with this corner, I've figured out that the captive nut that's on the inside of here, well, the thread was no good. So I had to tap it again. What I'm going to do is do the other side while I'm at it. You'll see right here is a captive nut. And I'm just going to run the tap through it just to make it easier to put that bolt back in. Now I've got this stone tray on, it's time to get some indicators in. You would have seen in a previous video how I modified the base of these, but I've gone and put some brand new lenses on. Out of this whole front end, these indicators have been the easiest thing to put on. Alright, what I've got to do now is cut up some wiring here and make it all work. Well, now that I've got these lights all wired up, it's time to get this front bar on. Well, after fiddling around with this for the last few minutes, I just can't make it line up nicely. So I'm going to pull it all apart again and check out some of this bracketry. Maybe even drill out some holes and make them a little bit bigger, so I've got a little bit more room to adjust it. No, more's going to have to come out. Gee, it's only 4 bolts. So I didn't worry about putting the thermo fans on the back. I just put a viscous clutch fan on. I had it lying around. I figured I'd just use it. So there's the XB front end on, and that's what's supposed to be on this car. There's some final tweaking to do, but I'll do that after it comes back from the painter. For now, I'll put the license plate on and I'll drive it to the spray painters.